Welcome back to Home Lab Networks. My name is AJ, and today I just wanted to show you guys a quick free way to host your own Minecraft server on your network. To FeatherMC.com, download this for your computer. So I'm just going to use my Microsoft account. Logged in, and select the server icon, click the plus button. So this name is the name of your server, so name it whatever you want. I'm just going to call my Minecraft server. Then you can choose your templates and what version of Minecraft, how many players you want on your server, and how much RAM it's going to use. This host name here, copy this, go back to Minecraft, get add server, and the server address, and click done. That's your Minecraft server on your network. Join server. We have officially joined our server on our network. Now this will run depending on your system itself, how good it is. So it will determine a lot of things, but this is just a quick, easy way to host a Minecraft server on your network if you haven't got an actual physical server yourself. But I just wanted to show you guys this neat little program that you can use for free. Just log into your Minecraft account or create a new account, log into it, and you can host your own server for free. With it being free, like, there's reasons why programs and stuff are free. They're not the best, but in a home network and home lab, they get the job done. Thanks for the recent subscribers and views. We've hit over 200,000, so thank you very much. And we'll see you guys in the next video.